Hello viewers, good afternoon. Today I will show you a simple toy to understand the concept of similarity. You can see here now in this toy a butterfly is placed. Then again if I keep opening this, you will see a blue colored butterfly. We started off with yellow colored butterfly. Then we will get a blue colored butterfly followed by a yellow colored butterfly, then followed by a blue colored butterfly, and then a pink and black colored butterfly. Suppose if I again keep on closing it, you can see here beautifully how we are trying to superimpose, how we are trying to keep one butterfly over the other. And the beauty of this butterfly is they look alike, but when we superimpose, they do not exactly coincide. In this part of the video, you can see the picture of a toy which is unfolded from the greatest to smaller and then from smaller to smallest. They look alike but are of different shapes, so they are similar. Now, before understanding the concept of similarity in triangles, we are trying to understand the similarity in nature, because whatever we study in our textbooks is quite related to nature. So, we are trying to correlate nature and textbook. This is an example for similarity in nature.